Hey guys, this is Dan Duran and today I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux on macOS M chipset. Absolutely free. That means you don't have to pay for any commercial licenses like Parallels. Get your coffee, sit back, and let's go. Alright, so the first thing that we have to do is get the UTM app from the Mac store. So I'm going to power up my Edge in here and I'm going to type in mac.getutm.app. And there we are. Right, so now I'm just going to download this beast. Or I can actually go into the Mac App Store if I want to install it from there, but it doesn't really matter. So now it's downloading. Let's check it out. Okay, I'm going to open the file. Bada boom, right there. I'm going to put it into my applications. Perfect. Now I'm going to click on my applications and just look for it. Where is it? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Right there. Double click on it. Open. Perfect. So now that it's here, I'm just going to place this one somewhere where I want to keep it forever. So I'm going to place it right over here. Now, what we have to do is get the Kali installation. So I'm going to power up another tab, type in Kali downloads. There you go. And I'm going to choose bare metal. Make sure you choose bare metal in here and select Apple M1. Then you're prompted to this 3 installers. So I'm just going to click on the download and that's going to take a little while. So let's drink our coffee. We're running out of coffee right now. Okay, it's not that bad. It's downloading pretty fast. So let's just wait for a minute. All right, finally downloaded. Okay, so now we're going to install it on the UTM app. All right, so I'm going to open up my UTM app right in here. And next, I'm going to click on File, New Virtual Machine. And I want to virtualize. And then in here, Operating System, I'm going to click on Other. Browse my ISO that I just downloaded. So downloads and then Kali Linux 222.1. Click on next. I'm going to assign 4 GB of RAM as well as 4 cores. That is perfectly fine. And here I'm just going to put 32 GB of disk space just because M1s come with 500 GB. So thank you, Apple, for that. Click on next, and then here, share directory. I'm going to browse, click on documents, and just going to open this up, and then click on next. And then the name of the virtual machine is going to be Kali 2022.1. And as you can see, the directory for my Kali installation is already there. Click on save, and then let's run this puppy. Okay, I'm going to go ahead with the graphical install. English, United States, and American English. Now, if you speak another language, of course, you're going to select your own details in here. All right, for host name, I'm going to name it Kali. And for domain name, I'm also going to name it Kali, just to make it easier. Kali, and there you go. Password, Kali. I'm doing this because I'm going to delete this VM afterwards, so I don't really care about any of the credentials. Eastern. Guided, so use entire disk. So this is 34.4 GB of block device space that we assigned. And then all files in one partition. Go ahead, and then select yes, and write changes to the disk. All right, so now we're here at the desktop environment, so the UI for your operating system. The Kali system comes with the XFCE for UI, but you're more than welcome to select Genome or the KDE Plasma. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead with the default installation of the UI. And now this is going to take probably about 20 minutes, 25 minutes to complete the entire installation. So I'll see you as soon as it gets installed. All right, so the installation is complete. Now let's reboot and see what happens. All right, if you see the screen, don't you worry about this. What we do here is just click out of this, right? So confirm, go back to your UTM, then go in here, click on drives, and then here in the drives, I move the Virtuo drive up one right there, and then save disk, and then let's run it again. And there you go. Perfect. All right. There you go. Kali. Voila. All right, so let's see if this is working fine. I'm going to power up a terminal, right? So sudo su, all right, password. There you go. And now let's do if config. And we do have an IP address in there, perfect. And let's do a trace route to google.com. And yes, we're getting packets, perfect. It's coming back. Amazing. All right, let's ping something. Let's ping Google. So ping google.com. There you go. There you go. Okay, perfect. So everything is working. Let's see the Firefox. Wow, that's pretty fast. Wow, I love it. YouTube.com. Yeah, it's working fine. Let's now play a video from here. I'm getting sound, so yep, everything's working fine. All right, guys, and that's it. Thank you so much for being here and participating on this tutorial. I hope you had fun, and I hope this is very valuable for you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also put your comments down below. I'm happy to answer any of your questions, so I'll see you next time. Stay safe, stay secure.